guys, it's me, Tara. I really like McDonald's coffee. Don't judge. It's really hard just to go in when you pull through McDonald's, right, just to get a coffee. Yeah, just a coffee and a hash brown. And a hash brown, yeah. Just a coffee and a hash brown and a sausage egg McMuffin. That's it. Hash brown. That's it. I did that 2 days in a row. The other side thing in that, right, when you're going through McDonald's, have those two lines. Your car pulls here and they're like, we have 2 lanes, right? So you're, you're sitting here, you order, they order, and then you go to pull out and you're like, well, I mean, do I go? Because then, it's awkward. Like, do you wave them through? Who goes first? Who ordered first? And now I'm getting anxiety because, like, what if I pull up to the window, right, and they're charging me for his meal? Because we got out of line. 2 different lines. Who thought of this? Is this what you ordered? And most of the time I'm like, nope, I just got the coffee, hash brown, sausage egg McMuffin. That's it. I pay for that. You get up to the second window, they start shoveling you out bags. Just bags of food. It's all the way already in the car. No, I just ordered coffee, hash brown, sausage egg McMuffin. That's it. You're getting all mixed up in there because you don't know who came first, neither do we. And then you gotta shovel back the food. But this is what the 2-lane is doing. The 2-lane is messing everybody up. Having a panic attack about thinking I'm paying for somebody else's McDonald's. Go back to the 1-lane McDonald's, huh? I gotta stop going to McDonald's for the coffee because I end up getting, like I said, just got the coffee, hash brown, sausage egg McMuffin. That's it. I'm gonna make food at home and look what I invented. Get off it already of saying, God, why is she showing us what she's eating, right? Well, you guys take pictures of it. I'm showing it to you live, so get over yourself. You guys like Frappuccino? Who doesn't? Yeah, it's funny, like, when you're on a date, you eat differently. If I got this on a date, I would be like, yeah. So, do a little wipey. He's chatty. And then you're like, I'm done. Because, like, nobody on a date wants to be like, bingo, right? Why don't we all just let everything slide right from day one? That way we know. We're all just trying to YOLO over here. Everybody needs to lay off already. Man, I get tired sometimes when I'm talking to you guys. Probably hot sauce on my face. I'll get over it. Beep, 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 beep.